Most Kung Pao chicken recipes are overcomplicated and packed with specialty ingredients. Today, I'm stripping it down. We will use accessible ingredients from your local supermarkets, and to give you that flavor profile you actually expect. Sweet, spicy, and a little bit smoky. One pan, 20 minutes, and you'll see exactly how to make this in your own home kitchen. Let's get started. Here is what we need for this dish. I have here chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast if you prefer. Green onions, garlic, ginger, dry chilies. You can use as many or as little as you like, depending on how spicy you would like it to be. Sichuan peppercorns. If you like the numbing effect that the Sichuan peppercorn gives you, use more of it. Roasted, salted peanuts. You can buy raw peanuts and stir fry them yourself, or you can use these type of peanuts that you buy for snacks. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. Let's prepare the ingredients. For the chicken, you can remove the fat and the skin or leave them on. Cut the chicken up into about half-inch cubes. Season the chicken with white pepper. Use black pepper if you do not have white pepper. Dark soy sauce. Give all this a good mix till it's well combined. Then add in the cornstarch. Mix this well to make sure that all the pieces of chicken are coated. Next, add in some sesame oil. Mix it well again. Then, set it aside. Cut up your dry chilies into about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Shake out the seeds. You can cook this chili with the seeds as well if you prefer the dish to be spicier. Separate the green onions into its white and green parts. I'm cutting my white parts into half lengthwise because they are rather thick. This will also give them more surface area to release its flavor. Cut them into about 1 inch pieces. Cut the ginger up into slices. Roughly chop up the garlic. For the peanuts, I'm using those peanuts that you eat for snacks, which are the roasted and salted peanuts. For the sauce, in some water, add light soy sauce, dark Chinese vinegar. If you do not have dark Chinese vinegar, you can use normal distilled vinegar. Chinese cooking wine, corn flour, sugar. Give all this a good stir till the corn flour dissolves. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. When it's hot, add in the oil. When the oil is hot, put in the chicken. Spread the chicken out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave it there for about 2 to 3 minutes to develop some browning on the chicken. After 2 to 3 minutes, it should look something like this. This golden brown color means flavor. Turn the chicken over and fry the other side for another 2 minutes. When it's done, remove. In the same pan, without washing it, add in more oil. Fry the garlic, ginger, dry chilies, white parts of the spring onions, and the Sichuan peppercorn. This looks a bit dry. I'll add in some more oil. Fry all this till it's fragrant. It should take about 1 to 2 minutes. You should be able to smell the dried chilies and the Sichuan peppercorns at this point. Then, add in the chicken. Give this a good stir. Next, add in the sauce. But remember to give the sauce a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Give the ingredients a good mix, and the sauce will come to a boil and thicken. This will take about a couple of seconds only. When the sauce is thickened, taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, turn off the heat. Stir in the peanuts and the green parts of the spring onions. The chicken will be luscious and flavorful, with that bit of sourness from the vinegar and the tingling mouthfeel from the Sichuan peppercorns. The peanuts will give you another dimension of texture to the dish. And that's how you make Kung Pao Chicken at home. Simple, fast, and loaded with flavor. Cooking food doesn't have to be very complicated, even on a busy weeknight. Here are some more easy and flavorful recipes to follow. Have fun with them, and I'll see you in the next one.